What's going on YouTube? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. We've been doing the past few videos on like how to pressure wash different surfaces. We did the driveway cleaning, which absolutely blew up. If you haven't seen that already and you want to start pressure washing driveways, make sure to check that out. Here we're going to be doing how to wash a house, and we'll check out the house here shortly. First thing, I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys what do we have on the truck that we use to actually pressure wash besides our gun and our ball valve and all that. We're going to start with the truck. So what we have here is we actually have our pressure washer over here, and then what we have is, I know a lot of you guys are like, okay, how to downstream, but basically a downstreamer is attached to our pressure washer. Go show that real quick. So that's our downstreamer right there, and then you hook up a tubing that goes directly to your chemical tank here. So this is our chemical tank, and let me show you guys what we fill it up with. If you guys don't know, we use pool shock. It's not bleach, but it's like a higher strength bleach, and it's a pool shock. So make sure that you get that from your local Pinch A Penny. Aside from that, we just use Gain soap, throw it in there, and then let's go ahead and show you guys how to wash the house. All right, so this is our setup for washing houses. We have our same thing that we would use for a driveway, a ball valve. This turns on and off our pressure. Then we have our gun, and then we have our J-rod. So this is the most important tool when it comes to washing a house, which we're about to show you guys. This has all of your different chemicals. So what we just showed you, where you're going to be pulling the chemicals from, that's going to pull it, and it's going to have right here, it's going to give you your tips. So it's going to give you the chemicals. So there's several different tips. This is a 25-degree soap, and then we also have our long shooter tip. So we're just going to switch to that, and then we're going to start at the top of the house here. So let me show you guys how we do that. So we're just going to wait until we start to see some chemical, and it looks like we're pulling chemical now. So we're just going to put our chemical onto the house and then let it dwell, and then we're going to wait about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're going to rinse. Just laying a nice layer of SH on the house. So you guys can see how easy it was to clean the 2-story with the J-rod. I'll leave this down in the link in the description, so that way you guys can purchase it, as well as all of our pressure washing equipment. That way, if you guys need anything, you can just check out all the different links there. So now I'm just going to switch over to the 25-degree tip. This is something you don't have to do, but I just like to do it just for convenience. Get a close-up on all that dirt that's popping off. Alright, so we're just going to hit this with a nice layer of SH. And then you see here, like all the chemicals at the bottom, that's everything already coming off. So that's how to wash a house. We're gonna let this dwell for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to rinse. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and rinse. All we did was change from our soap to our rinse tip, and you guys are going to see, you know, how easy it is to rinse. So all we do, give it some pressure, and we're going to go ahead and start rinsing. how easy that is. One thing I wanted to point out is around these windows, you want to make sure all the dirt is gutted out. You're going to see a lot of dirt, and that's going to continue to run. So you want to make sure those windows are 100% clean. Alright, so everything looks good there. I'm going to go ahead and switch to my 25-degree tip and rinse that. You always want to make sure that you're wearing glasses, and then always, you know, sometimes if you have a mask, make sure that you're wearing a mask to keep your safe, you know, proper protection from the chemicals, okay? That's how we rinse. Make sure we're just going to double check everything. Once you're done with the house, you're just going to have the customer come out, walk the property, make sure you didn't miss any spots, and then you're going to get the A-OK, and then you're going to go ahead and collect payment. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video. Also subscribe if you want to learn more about the pressure washing industry. All the links are down in the description. If you guys want to get jobs like I'm getting from Facebook advertisement, send me a message at 843-888-2371. Also have a free Facebook group I want everybody to come in and join, Pressure Wash Community. And again, if you guys want to go ahead and get the equipment that I use, hit the link in the description. I'll see you guys in the next one.